Question 10 part B. In the given figure below, O is the center of circle. If QR equals OP, now see, QR equals OP and angle ORP is equals 20 degree. Find the value of X, give reasons. So we have to find the value of X. So now here is 10th B. For the reference, I have drawn the figure also. This is point O. Now what is given to us is QR equals OP. That is given to us. It is this QR, this is R, equals OP. Now we know that OP and OQ, they are the radii of same circle. So OP is equals to OQ. This is 1, this is 2, because radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. So from first and second, we can see OP is equals OQ equals QR. So OP equals OQ equals QR. Now take triangle QOR. In triangle QOR, QR equals OQ. QR equals OQ. So QR equals OQ. This implies if you take this as angle 1 is equals to 20 degree, because these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal. Now consider this as angle 2. Now angle 2 is what? Angle 2 is the exterior angle of this triangle. So we know that exterior angle is equals to sum of its interior opposite angle. Angle 1 plus angle 20 degree. We know that angle 1 is how much? 20 plus 20, that equals 40 degree. So angle 2 is 40 degree. Angle 2 is now 40 degree. Now again, if you see this figure, OP is equals OQ. Take this as 3. Angle 2 will be equals to angle 3. Both are 40. So now we have to take triangle OPQ. Triangle OPQ. Now angle 3 plus angle 2, you can take this as angle 4 plus angle 4 equals 180 degree. Now we know that 2 is what? 40 degree. 3 is also 40, because OP is equals OQ. So 2 is 40, 3 is also 40. So angle 4 will be basically 180 degree minus the sum of these two, which is 40 plus 40. Actually this is 80. So angle 4 is 100 degree. Now see in this figure, this is angle 1 is 20, angle 4 is 100 degree. Now we know that this is a straight line. So angle X plus 4 plus 1 is 180. Angle X plus angle 4 plus angle 1 is 180. So angle X is how much? 180 minus the sum of angle 4 and angle 1, which is 180 minus angle 4 is 120. 180 minus 100 plus 20 is 120. So 180 minus 120. So angle X is 60 degree. Now question 10th C part. The angle of elevation from point P on the top of the tower QR 50 meter high is 60 degree. And that of the tower PT from a point Q is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower PT. Connect to the nearest meter. So this is the diagram. PQ, this is, we have to find PT. Find the height of the tower PT connected to the nearest meter. So you have to find this height PT. So I have drawn the figure for 10C. Now we have to find the height of tower PT, in which the height of tower QR is 50 meter. So it is given that QR is 50 meter and angle QPR is 60 degree. Well, QPR is 60 degree and angle PQT is 30 degree. So this is P, QT is 30 degree. So first of all, we will take the triangle PQR and we'll find PQ first. So in triangle QR. Now tan 60 degree is equals to 50 by PQ. Now PQ is what? PQ is 50 by root 3. What is tan 60? Root 3. So cross multiplying, PQ equals 50 by root 3. So rationalizing the denominator, this is 50 root 3 by 3. So PQ is 50 root 3 by 3. Now we'll take the triangle PTQ. Now in triangle PTQ, tan 30 degree equals PT by PQ. So this is what? Tan 30 degree PT by PQ. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 equals PT. This is 50 root 3 by 3. Now directly cross multiply. This will be 50 root 3 by 3 into 1 by root 3 equals PT. So here root 3 will get cancelled. So PT is 50 by 3. So PT is 50 by 3, which is 16.66 meter. Now 11th A. The fourth term of an AP is 22 and the 15th term is 66. Find the first term and the common difference. Hence find the sum of the series to 8 terms. Now starting with 11th A. What is given to us is T4 equals 22. So this is A plus 3D equals 22. Why? Because we know the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 4 minus 1 is 3D. So A plus 3D is 22. Take this as equation 1. Also T15 given to is 66. T15 given to is 66, which will be A plus 14D equals 66, which is equation 2. Again 14 is basically A plus, 15 term is A plus 15 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 14D. So now we have two equations. A plus 3D equals 22, equation 1. A plus 14D equals 66, equation 2. Now what we will do is that we will do performing second equation minus first equation. So we will write the whole second equation first. A plus 14D minus A plus 3D equals 66 minus 22. So A and A will get cancelled. 14D minus 3D is 11D. 66 minus 22 is 44. So D is 4. Now substituting the value of D in equation 1. So A plus 3 into 4 equals 22. So this is A plus 3 into 4 equals 22. This implies A equals 22 minus 12. This is 10. So A is 10, D is 4. Now we have to find the sum of n terms. Actually n is 8 over here. So writing the formula for sum of n terms first is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So n is what? N is actually 8. 8 by 2. A was 10. 2 into 10 plus 8 minus 1. What is D? 4. So this goes 4 times. This is actually 20 plus the 7 4 are 28. So 4 into 48, which is 192. Now question 11b part. Use a graph paper for this question. A survey regarding the height in centimeter of 60 boys belonging to class 10 of a school was conducted. The following data was recorded: 135 to 144, 140 to 145 8, 145 to 150 12, 150 to 155 14, 155 to 167, 160 to 165 6, and 165 to 171. Now taking 2 centimeter equals to height of 10 centimeter along one axis and 2 centimeter equals to 10 boys along other axis. Draw an ogive of the above distribution use the graph to estimate the following: the median, lower quartile, and if above 158 centimeter is considered as tall boy of the class, find the number of boys who are tall. Now 11b. Now cumulative frequency by less than method is. Now see this is the less than method. So heights in centimeter, number of sonnets. Now height less than 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 70. And this is the cumulative frequency. Total comes out to be 60. So this n is actually 60. So you can see this table. Now as given in the question, we will take the axis as given in the question. Now we mark the upper class limit along the x-axis. Now we are taking the upper class limit and the cumulative frequency along the y-axis. So here are the coordinates: 140,4, 145,12. So coordinates are obtained like this, like 140,4, 145,12, 150,32, and so on. So we have to plot these coordinates on the graph paper. So here is the graph paper. Now 140,4. So let's plot these points. 140,4. 140,4 will be around here. 145,12. 145,12 considered as here. Now 150,32. 2 will be around here. 155,46. So this is 155. 46 will be in here. And 160,53. 160,53 will be over here. And 165,59 will be over here. And 170,60 is this point. Now here is the plotting. You can see the graph. Now we have to join these points by freehand to get the required ogive. So you can just join it like this. This point is over here. This is over here. This is over here. And like this. So we have obtained the graph. Now we know that over here n is 60. So to get the median, 60 divided by 2, that is 30. In order to find the median, let us first locate the point corresponding to 30 on the y-axis. So here is the point 30 on the y-axis. And we have to draw a horizontal line to meet the axis at point P. So this is the point P. Here is the point, not P, here is the P point. Now through this point we draw a vertical line to meet the x-axis. Now that point will give us the median. So it will be like this. This. So you can see this will be 149.5. So this is 149.5. This is the median. For the 11B part 1, median is 149 is the median. Now lower quartile. We know that lower quartile will be 60 by 4, which is 15. So here is 15. So if we draw the line at this point, and then we have to draw perpendicular to this. So this actually meets, you can take this as 145.5 or 146. That's the same. So for point 2, lower quartile (146). You can see this meets at the point around 146 only. Now we have to find the number of tall boys. Now we have to find the number of tall boys. Now see, 158 centimeter is considered as the boys who are tall. So we draw a line which is like from 168. So this is 158, not 68. So we draw a line over here and see the points. So it meets the line at this point, and if you draw a line like this, so basically this is around, we can take this as 53. So 60 minus 53 is 7 boys. So third point, number of tall boys equals 7.